All right, we're just getting some breaking news of IT raids that are being conducted against some actors and directors linked to Phantom Films. We will be getting more information as to what was the reason behind a tax evasion that is being said, where the IT department is carrying out searches in Mumbai. And preliminary information that is coming in as of now that these searches are against certain actors, directors that are linked to Phantom Films. So a case of tax evasion that can be said from the raids that are being carried out by the income tax. We'll be getting more information more on this because no one yet has been named as to who against these searches are being conducted, but we'll get more information as to what are the links that the income tax currently is investigating by carrying out these raids. Is it just in Mumbai or multiple locations elsewhere in Maharashtra and different cities? Are we looking at these raids that are being conducted by the income tax office? So this is just the IT department carrying out the raids. This is just the initial information coming in. The raids that are being conducted in Mumbai itself, and the raids are against the actors, directors that are said to be linked to Phantom Films. So no names that have been revealed as of now. As we continue to put forth, this is just the initial information that has come in of the raids that are being conducted by the income tax department. Is it a case of tax evasion or why these raids are being conducted? We'll go across to Niranjan now to give us more information. So Niranjan, what more do we know on these searches that are being carried out by the income tax department?
Well, very initial details available with us. In fact, we're waiting for the official word. But what I can tell you about what we know so far is that it has been confirmed that income tax searches are underway in Mumbai. Income tax searches are underway in Mumbai. And the income tax department hasn't named anyone, but they are naming Phantom Films actors and directors. This is what we know so far. And we are only going by the information available with us. I think Shravan is joining us live. Let me go across to Shravan. Shravan, what more do we know?
Niranjan, at this point in time, very sketchy information really coming in from the income tax department. However, there is no confirmation that has been made as far as the actors and directors are concerned. Who exactly are those actors and directors that these searches are being carried out? That's also certainly indicating that these searches are basically underway at the Phantom Films premises. Apart from that, what we are also picking up in terms of details in this case is that this is pertaining to an alleged tax evasion case due to which these searches are being carried out, not just in Mumbai, but perhaps two other cities is where we are picking up at this point in time that these searches are underway. So no confirmation as of now with regards to who perhaps in terms of actors and directors whose residences or for that matter offices are being carried, raids are being carried out. Income tax department is completely tight-lipped about the searches that are basically underway at the premises of some actors as well as directors.
So that is what Shravan is saying for now, because Shravan, more places that could be linked to this search operation and the raids that are being conducted there. But is it just the income tax department that is carrying out these raids?
Well, in fact, what we are picking up is that it is just the income tax department at this point in time that is carrying out these searches pertaining to an alleged tax evasion case is what we are being told. However, having said that, what's important to point out here is that these searches are underway not just in Mumbai, but also we are being told that it is in another location, two other locations where we've been told that these searches are basically underway.
All right, so the search is being said that is linked to Phantom Films. Shravan, if you can throw more light on that.
Well, at this point in time, very sketchy information really coming in from the income tax department with regards to the searches that are underway. This is a confirmation that I've got from a source of mine within the income tax department in the national capital, saying that yes, the searches are basically underway at Phantom Films. This is pertaining to an alleged tax evasion case. However, having said that, not just Phantom Films, but there are searches that are basically underway at premises of certain actors as well as directors. However, the income tax department has refrained from taking names of any actors or directors at this point in time. The moment we get an official confirmation really coming in from the income tax department as to where exactly whose residences are being raided at this point in time, we'll also be putting out that information. But a confirmation right now is only with regards to Phantom Films, where these searches are underway.
All right, so the Indian Film Production and Distribution Company, but we know that there were certain directors there who were part of this production house, Shravan, but we still have any confirmation that is yet to come on the income tax raids that are being carried out against whom, because just the initial information suggests that it is against certain directors and certain actors, and that's happening in Mumbai as we speak. Shravan, thanks very much for the moment. We'll update our viewers more on the same. This is a big breaking update coming in this hour.